What's up, I'm Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you the side quest Venemous Revenge. You'll find this in Hogsmeade, right behind the 3 broomsticks. When we get here, we'll be speaking to Ackley Barnes, right behind it here.
Sir, is everything all right?
How kind of you to ask. The name's Ackley Barnes, and no, it is not. I'm plotting a sort of revenge against my ex-business partner, a conniving fiend by the name of Alfred Lawley. He cut me out of our herbology supply business just as we were getting started. Said I was too volatile to work with. I'll show him volatile.
That must have been frustrating for you.
Yes, it was. Terribly. I'm simply passionate about my work. Supercilious fool, he's passionate about things too, as I intend to remind him by relieving him of his prized possession, a Venemous Tanticula he's grown from a seedling that was to be the keystone of our business venture. I can't get anywhere near it with Ruth Singer watching me like an augury. Lawley's doing, no doubt, but no one would suspect a student. How would you feel about committing some grand plant larceny?
I'll get the Venemous Tanticula for you.
Marvelous. I know a fellow seeker of justice when I see one. Take as many herbology supplies as you like while you're in his cellar. All I ask is that you bring me the Venemous Tanticula.
There we go, let's go yoink this Venemous Tanticula. You'll find this in Hogsmeade. In this little building here, by this signpost in the cellar. We'll enter it. I'll use the disillusionment spell so we can hide in here.
Let Mr. Lawley see me.
And while we're here, we may as well do some more looting. I'm pretty sure you won't need the disillusionment spell, but it is useful to have. Around the back, we have an entrance to this room, as well as a door that we could lockpick to get in there, but at least there's a giant hole in the wall, so we won't need that skill at all. Sneaking in here, there's a few coins lying around, and deep within the bowels here, we have it here. How do we get here? Well, off to the right, into this huge cave system, there are some spiders that we may need to get rid of, but you can just sneak past them, especially with the disillusionment spell. Now, I assume we could do them a favor by getting rid of these, but we could also leave them here. So, grabbing the Venemous Tanticula,
I should return to Mr. Barnes.
we could leave at this point, or of course, you could fight. For me, I'll burn through this cobweb, vanish once more, and climb up here to loot a chest. Let's destroy these. Clearing out this man's bug problem, we can loot the last few plants and leave. At this point, I think we'll need to wait here, unless you can unlock the lock here, which I can, so I'll do that. There we go. We can sneak out of here and head back. I think the exit is here. Yep, we need to head down the stairs to go up them. There we go. Let's return to Ackley Barnes. Just a short jog away.
Completed that errand for me yet?
Hello, Mr. Barnes. I have that Venemous Tanticula.
Wish I could see Lawley's face when he realizes his prized possession is gone. We'll see who's volatile now. Well done. I'll take it off your hands now.
Of course. Glad to hand it over, frankly.
I shall make an ocean of galleons, and Lawley's business will be sunk. Here's a little something for your next trip to Zonko's. Oh, to see the look on Lawley's face.
And there we go. Venemous Revenge is now complete. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.